The prosecution, in arguing all the ingredients of the offense, cited the authority of San of Semel, Criminal Appeal number 112.
Trial Judge Rezet Kanya held that prosecution had presented sufficient evidence requiring the accused to defend herself. In her ruling, Justice Kanya reasoned that Molly was the last person seen in the company of the deceased on November 2nd, 2023, the day he was fatally shot at their home in Kampala. Justice Kanya insists that the suspect is therefore required to explain the circumstances under which the deceased met his death. The judge also relied on prosecution's evidence of the suspicious conduct of Molly after the alleged crime when she, among others, became reluctant to record a statement with police and also claimed she was injured in a traffic accident, presence of gunshot residue, and the existence of her DNA on the killer pistol. The decision followed submissions by the prosecution team led by Assistant Director of Public Prosecutions Samali Wakoli and Jonathan Muaganya, who opposed the defense's application of no case to answer. Prosecution relied largely on circumstantial evidence and the doctrine of last seen, arguing that Henry Katanga and his wife were the only people in the master bedroom at the time of the shooting. The ruling means Molly, who has been on remand at Ruzira Prison for over a year, must now open her defense and may call witnesses before the court can determine her fate. Being put on her defense does not amount to a finding of guilt, but signifies that the prosecution has established a prima facie case requiring an explanation. Molly is jointly charged with her daughters Patricia Kankwanzi and Martha Nkwanzi Katanga, Family Nursing Officer Charles Otai, and domestic worker George Amanyire. Prosecution alleges that she fatally shot her husband and that the co-accused later attempted to cover up the crime. The four co-accused face lesser charges of destroying evidence and being accessories after the alleged murder. The court also wrote that the four co-accused have a case to answer and must equally defend themselves. In submissions filed in December last year, defense lawyers argued that testimonies of 25 prosecution witnesses had collapsed under cross-examination and failed to prove the essential ingredients of murder. The case has now been adjourned to 26th March on the request of defense lawyers who asked for more time to make consultations with their clients and also organize their witnesses. Juliet Naloga, NTV.